If you want to set Blender up so that you can use your GPU for rendering, go to the Edit menu, then select Preferences. From here, come to the System subsection, and at the very top, you'll be able to choose your Cycles render device. By default, it will be set to none. CUDA is for older NVIDIA GPUs. Optics is for newer NVIDIA GPUs. HIP is used for AMD GPUs, and One API is used for Intel GPUs. Make sure to select the option that is correct for your graphics card. In my case, I use an RTX 3080, so my choice would be Optics. I would then go and Save Preferences. Now, if I go to my render engine and change to Cycles, I can switch my supported device from CPU to GPU compute. From this point on, whenever I render an image in my scene, I will be using my graphics card and not my CPU.